Hey, what's the deal with Mod Effects?
Got your boy Black Cat 707 here.
Jose Mod Effects.
And you got Randall. Hey, so our boy Black Cat, he just got a new mod. He brought his car down from Dallas. He actually just recently relocated. So he came in and, you know, gave us the opportunity to participate in kind of the next level of his build. And so we're gonna show you guys what he has going on today.
All right, guys, so I decided to go with the Vicrez Widebody kit. And the reason being is because the other kits on the market, some of them I didn't like the way they look, to be honest with you. And with the research that I've done, I realized that the Vicrez kit would match up, you know, pretty good to the OEM side skirt. So that's the reason I decided to go with that. Okay. As everyone knows, this has been an inspiring build since 2018. Done a lot of mods to it, about $20,000 worth of mods. Just moved down to Houston. Hooked up with Jose and Randall, brought it over here, and here that's what we got. This is the final product, so I'm happy. Couldn't be no happier, man.
The original color of your car was black.
It was black. It was glossy.
So he also wanted us to wrap it and wrap the body parts as well.
Yep.
What's the color of your wrap?
So this is Dynamic Matte Green by KPMF.
There you go, Dynamic Matte Green. Okay. So the Vicrez kit, I think they're coming out with the actual side skirt, right? But they don't have one right now. So he did decide to go with a 2020 wide body skirt, which actually fit perfect with this kit. If you get a little closer, you can see that the body lines is almost on point. For those of you looking too close and say no, well then don't look that close.
Right.
No, but if you think about it, I don't know if you guys saw the last wide body we did from Chrome and Carbon. They didn't have the complete finish on the skirts for a while, and that was one of the things that kind of got me at one point. You know, I was like, man, I want it to look cleaner, like right there on point. And I think this kit right here, the way it fits and how flush it is, was probably the closest to a OEM wide body you're gonna get. And he decided to keep the gloss black accents, roof and hood. We also did the front grills, upper, lowers, the sides. We painted that gloss black so it can accent the rest of the car. He got the mirrors are also gloss black, spoilers gloss black, wheels are gloss black. There's really nothing matte anymore on the car. Even the diffuser in the back is gloss black. So if you look down the entire side of the car, you can see that everything matches nice and tight. You can see that the body lines match up exactly where the OEM bumper was. And I think that's one of the biggest things that sold us on it.
So Jose.
And just so you know, for anybody adding on this kit, if you're on bags, it requires cutting 100%. If you're gonna go wider, it requires cutting. If you're gonna stay slim body with a wide body kit, then you just don't use spacers and you can put the kit on and it's not gonna rub, obviously, but it's not gonna give you that finished look that you want. So just know that it does require cutting part of the bumper, part of the metal frame, you know, not the metal frame, but the actual fenders and the flares around it. So just know that. Once the wide body kit is on, you can't see those areas or you can't see those pieces.
Now, Jose, I had a lot of people ask me on Facebook and Instagram today and yesterday, well, did you tape the kit on? Did you use the 3M tape? And I told them no. Jose is a lot more professional than that. Not saying that, you know, tape and glue is a bad thing, but Jose went
I do have a little trick to the ways we do our stuff, and obviously if you want to get it done, you're going to come here, right?
Right.
I'm not going to explain
if you want it done right,
but yeah, there is 3M used with it, and there is some bracketry that me and Randall came up with on certain areas. The problem areas are the areas where we would consider that it could fall off or it could kind of detach.
Yep.
And like any kid, you know, if something happens, you know, this is the first time for us as well. We did the Challenger a couple times, and I put brackets in different areas. So this one was our first, and we'll see how it comes out. But just know that you're covered. You know, if something you don't feel right with something, come back and we'll figure something out and get it done. You know, get it fixed up.
Well, I'm 100% satisfied right now. I couldn't be no happier.
Yeah, so at the end of the day, a lot of people want to know, is this wide body kit really worth it? You know, is cutting my car worth it? is adding aftermarket fenders, getting the things painted, wrapped, whatever you're gonna do. Is it worth it? The OEM wide body kit is gonna cost you about $9,000, give or take. And so by the time you pay for the labor, pay for the wide body kit pieces, get a new bumper, front and rear, because the OEM wide body does require both new front and rear bumpers. Your parts cost is gonna be very high. So if you have no budget, of course, that's the way to go. But this, you know, based on what we've seen, is a viable option. And so we will be selling these kits. And so if you do want to get a kit, feel free to reach out to us. We'll definitely take care of you. But it definitely is a viable option, whether you're going to paint or wrap. And as long as you pay attention to your fitment, you know, pay attention to how your wheels and tires fit, your spacers, you know, cutting the right spots, you should be good to go and won't have any problems. So feel free to reach out. We'll definitely try and give you advice, guide you in the right direction. And hopefully your car come out looking good, as good as Black Cat's does.
All right, and make sure y'all go like, subscribe, and to my channel, The Life of Black Cat 707 on YouTube and on Instagram of _Black Cat 707.
We'll put all the links in the bio of the video. So other than that, we'll show you some B-roll of the car. And you have to catch this one on the road.
Hey, we also put some tire letters on. You forgot about that.
Oh, yeah.
So everybody always asks about that. You know what? That's a service. We ain't going to do that just specifically, but if a customer wants it and they got their car here, it's going to get done.
So anything you need, we got you. Bumper to bumper.
Yes, sir.
All right, to the next one. We definitely appreciate y'all watching. Y'all be safe.
Peace out.